Student, I Soumen sir, lecturer in mechanical engineering. Today we are going to learn what is cam and what is follower, and also use of cam and follower mechanism. A cam is a rotating machine element which gives reciprocating or oscillating motion to a second element, to a second part. The second element is called a follower. This is the figure of cam and follower mechanism. This is the cam. This working surface of cam, or it is called cam profile. When cam rotate one time, the minimum radius comes in this position, and next time alternately the maximum radius, this maximum radius comes in this position. One times this radius comes in this position, and alternately this maximum radius come in this position. This is the follower attached with the cam profile. This is the cam profile, and follower reciprocate within the guide, within the frame. Diver member is known as cam, and driven member called follower. Cam rotates usually at constant speed and drives the follower, whose motion depends upon the shape of the cam profile. The motion of follower depends upon the cam profile. Okay. The three essential components of a cam mechanism are: number one, the cam. This is the cam. Number two, the follower. This is the follower. Number three, the frame or guide. Almost always the cam is the driver and follower is the driven. The frame support and guide the follower and the cam. The cam and follower is a line contact. This is the line contact, and it create a higher pair. Okay. Now, use of cam and follower mechanism. The cam and follower mechanism are commonly used internal combustion engine, IC engine, for opening the inlet and exhaust valve. Next, feed mechanism of automatic lathe. Next, paper cutting machines. Next, printing machineries, spinning and weaving textile machinery. Next, clock. Next, shoe making, etc. Now, cam and follower are manufactured usually by die casting, milling, or by punch press. Okay.